Do Japanese companies really hire fresh graduates? This is one question we often get from students when we tell them about excellent job opportunities in Japan. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how the job market in Japan works. My name is Deepti Singh and I'm an admissions counselor for Japanese universities. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what exactly Japanese companies look for when they are hiring you. Let me start by telling you that Japanese companies particularly do not look for experience. That's right. Japanese companies, they believe in training fresh graduates from beginning fresh, and they believe that they will be able to train you according to the company's culture and methods and ethics. So this is the belief that is carried out in Japan in most organizations. And that is why experience, internship experience, job experience, and your portfolio is not as important in recruitment in Japan as it is anywhere else in the world or specifically in India. So let me share the concept of shinsotsu with you. Shinsotsu basically means, so this kanji, if you can see here, this is new graduate. So fresh graduate hiring, how it works. So most Japanese companies have a quota of fresh graduates that they would like to hire in a particular year. Now this hiring can be done mostly in April or October. In most companies, the hiring is usually done in April, but there are companies now, especially the ones which are looking for global talent, that hire in October as well. So now they reserve these jobs specifically for fresh graduates, and they visit campuses and they organize company description workshops where they invite fresh graduates to know about their company. So basically, freshers without any internship experience, without any job experience or any heavy project history or portfolio can also apply to these jobs. So if not experience, what is it that these companies are looking for? You might ask that question. So let me tell you what exactly Japanese companies look for. These are the soft skills. One, communication skills. The more languages you know, of course, the better it is. English particularly is of high value in Japan because there are still many people who cannot communicate in English in Japan. Japanese, of course. The better you can speak Japanese, more are the prospects and more opportunities for you in the job market. There is a disclaimer. When you enter a Japanese university, you may not know any Japanese, but while studying in Japan, you can work on your Japanese skills. And the good part is that most universities which have English taught programs, they do have Japanese language classes for international students. So you can actually participate and excel in Japanese language skills. Hindi, Tamil, Urdu, I don't know, whichever is your regional language. That is also a huge plus. How? Let me explain. So let's say you speak Hindi, and one of the most widely spoken languages in India. Any Japanese company which is trying to come to India and sell their product in Indian market, they will value your language skills and understanding of the market. So they will value your English speaking ability, they will value your Japanese language ability, and your regional language is definitely a plus, a skill that can help them penetrate this market. So already you are quite a valuable resource to any company only on the basis of your language skills. Second skill that Japanese companies value is teamwork. You might have heard that Japan is not an individualistic society, and particularly I believe that Japan has been able to excel itself and become a country that it is because of the teamwork. They take project based approaches in most cases, and how you collaborate with others, how tolerant are you of other ideas, and how open minded you are, and how accommodating you are about new ideas and others' ideas, and how respectful you are towards your team members. All of these are subtle traits that are highly appreciated in Japanese society. Third is positive attitude and discipline. So, goes without saying, in Japan, discipline is very important, and positive attitude is required, of course, anywhere, but particularly in Japan, discipline is of great value. The next is your willingness to learn. This is a key skill that every company wants in their employees. Cultural fit. Please remember, Japan has a very distinct culture, and which is why it is very important for you to respect its culture. And whenever they are interviewing candidates, Japanese are trying to see if you can easily mingle with Japanese and adopt their culture as much as possible. So your personality and mindset are way more important than your profile, other kind of profile. So let me share the step-by-step hiring process in Japan. Step number 1 is filling the entry sheet. So once you understand about the company, then the next step, and you can learn about this company via company description, workshops that they organize all over Japan in major cities, especially like Tokyo, Osaka, and campuses. So after that, you will fill an entry sheet. Entry sheet is basically your background, your interest, and why you are applying to that company and what you would like to do in that company. Second is aptitude test. There are many companies in Japan which conduct aptitude test as one of the key hiring processes, screening processes in Japan. So you will take this exam, and the next step would be many rounds of interviews. So hiring in Japan is not easy, and it is also a lifetime employment system in Japan. In most cases, the employment is done for lifetime unless it's a contract job. There are many contract jobs also available in Japan, so you will have to check with your employer. But otherwise, unless stated, the jobs are almost permanent in nature, and which is why there is lot of importance given to rounds of interviews that are conducted. Step 4 is Naite. Naite means confirmation of your job. The great thing is that you will receive this job offer before your graduation, 6 to 12 months advance from your graduation, and that is why you will have a job offer even before you graduate, and that makes your life so much easier. You will be able to apply for work visa with the help of the company that you have just secured a job in. Do you need Japanese language? That's a question you have on your mind right now. Yes, to work in Japan, it is ideal if you know Japanese, and you can learn it during the course of your study in Japan, or you can attend a language school in Japan. So get in touch with us if you're looking to study in Japan. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Share your thoughts. We are always waiting to hear from you.